Industry 4.0 demands flexibility, agility, and technological innovation. But what about the process? Brick Reply is an Industry 4.0 platform, and manufacturing execution is the main process covered. Brick Reply MES is an easy-to-use, user-friendly and intuitive solution to manage factory processes. The management can autonomously set up all configurations in sketching the production workflows, designing factory layouts, and configuring bills of materials and operations processes. Workers can use an intuitive user interface, very easy to use on touchscreen devices. All users can access the platform from any device available in the factory: industrial PC, tablet, smartphone. What makes Brick Reply MES so innovative? Brick Reply MES can be delivered on cloud, on-premise, or in a hybrid environment. Central features are real-time cloud sync, compliance with industrial Ethernet, hybrid solution. The user interface is designed to cut off workers' training time with contextual help and integrated video tutorials. Main benefits are reduced training, UX first, ease of use. The technical solution is oriented towards a messaging and communication bus, making customizations easier and faster. Key advantages are normalization of shop floor communication, flexibility, scalability. Brick Reply, the platform for Industry 4.0 manufacturing operations.